it's gonna be a little bit of a pinch.
Okay.
I didn't see any gloves, so I'm gonna use just my hands. That's
okay.
Yeah, but I was fortunate to have a good girlfriend that walked me through pretty much everything. Oh, she did. Oh, yes, gotta come. I was going to parties I wasn't supposed to be going to. They all thought I was a junior or a senior. And the good thing about me was I had that same height I am now. Actually, I was tall like in 8th grade, 9th grade.
Really?
So people passed me by maybe the junior, senior year. They caught up or either passed me. I'm like, what happened? Why are you so tall now? So I stopped growing. Everybody else kept growing. So then I was pretty big for, you know, my height and weight. I'm like, okay, I'm doing pretty good. And so they didn't really know who I was, even if I was a freshman. They didn't know.
Right.
You get an extraction?
Yeah.
I didn't see any gloves, and I forgot to bring
They're at
mine.
the bottom.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
I'm sorry.
I don't wanna, yeah, because I have nails. That's the only reason.
No, you're fine. Down here.
Oh, okay.
Everything.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Here you go, darling.
Thank you. Oh, shit.
I think, yeah, that should be good. It's a large. They're large. Keep them gloves in here. You don't know what you're going to run into.
That's correct. And $1 million house calling fire. Yeah, it's off now. But these people, man, it seems like Atlanta's the move.
I'm telling you, it really seems
Mom,
like
we say that all the time we go down there.
Always, because every time you get down there, you feel the atmosphere. There's like so much movement. Everybody just seems stress free.
Nice out there.
Yeah, it's hard living up here. Like anything past North Carolina, I would consider that the true East Coast. Like it's hard, it's rougher, it's faster. North Carolina and under is slower, it's slower paced. People take care of it. Howdy y'all, how you doing? You know, when you walk into a store, I'm like, really? What was that mean?
Everybody happy?
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? You such and such child. Like what?
Right. Up here, you say hello, that might be a fighting
You
word.
looking at they're looking at you like, do I know you?
What you
That's
say?
her husband.
You
So
said
I
hello.
wonder
What's
what
that
he
mean?
do. Since she's a real estate agent.
Kids, see, them kids don't know what struggle is.
Listen, not at all. She talking about she went through. She like her boobs because every outfit she got on, them things hanging out. She wants y'all to see that work, honey.
I can't complain. I'm a male.
You like, I've been here his
See, it's more just like liquid. Then if it came out like blood or like dark red or orange, brown, whatever the color's gonna be, this is basically just liquid. Her acne is being trapped underneath. Her skin is trying to come out, but her skin is resistant, which is normally good for all our skin types. It covers our wounds, but it's doing too good of a job. So that's why she probably has acne. She doesn't have like the true acne that would spit out like yellowish or worms. It's just more just clear fluid. It needs to be drained out.
That's a good thing.
And I won't make any marks on your face or anything. It just seems like it, but I'm not. And all I'm doing is just gathering it from all directions because acne likes to hide. And so when we pop, we think we get it, but it just slid over here.
I know. I know. Every time I pop my pimple, it always come back.
They like to hide. Leave that one alone. We'll look over here. And when you press and drag, you're just pressing, holding until you see it pop. It just came on out.
That's the satisfying part.
I know.
Because then it's like, oh, good, I accomplished that.
Let's see how that. It's right. It's over top of the blood vessels, so that's why you do see blood. Blood doesn't always mean it's infected. It doesn't always mean that it's a bad thing. No, it's just that one little pocket was over top of it. It can't flow. It's like a river. Our veins and venules have to be free. Oh, what time do you have to pick up your son?
I just texted and said we will be leaving in like 10 minutes.
Okay.
Because they have to leave home at a certain time.
Gotcha.
So did this, so this doesn't have a light on? Oh, yes it does. Oh, wait. Oh, so they have to be plugged up simultaneously. So I am going to need a surge. Yeah, because I wanted to see. Let me see, I'm going to unplug this fridge for a minute.
I'm sorry, I'm moving fast.
It's okay.
No, you good. Alright.
That's what's stubborn.
Do you hold it down? Or was it a button?
Good. See how it came out?
So how you get the light to work?
Oh, it's on. Why didn't it come? This thing is tripping already. Because you would think it would show red on here that it's on.
It's on. But your room is already super bright. A lot of people complain, I'm like, they don't see the light. I'm like, no, if you turn the lights, it'll show. It's just, if it's too much, like this ring light plus this light plus that, then yeah, it might not be super, super bright. But it is. It's on. Like, if I turn that ring light off, you'll definitely,
You'll be able to see it.
Yeah, because these are LED lights. These are fluorescent.
Yeah.
Fluorescent normally always drowns out room. Those are fluorescent.
That's exactly.
But pure like LED light is more focused.
Yeah, that's direct.
I'm fine.
Blaze doing good.
Yeah, she been worried about that skin for as soon as those allergies hit. And that's what it is.
I know, I feel like my skin is peeling. Like, I don't know what that is wrong.
I know it seems like I'm aggressive, but they're really, really underneath the skin. They're coming out.
It's okay.
I gotta get them.
Pull them out.
Cause see how liquidy. So it's just it just needs to come out. That's all. So you just hold, let it ooze out, and then pull, just a little bit, and then you can milk it. See, it's a bump under there, so it's kind of hard. I'm gonna try to force it out. Sorry, no, that hurts. Yeah, it's coming.
You're doing good. Grown women be like having a fit for attraction.
I know, I'm just thinking about the after effects. So,
So see, there it is. Got it.
She said you think about the after effects. Do what you gotta do.
yeah.
That is so funny.
Because we could carry extractions and she screams.
Yeah.
She can't do anything.